Can you hear my voice? Yes. Are you able to see the screen? Yes, dear students. Are you able to see the screen? Yes. Screen ಕಾಣ್ತಿದೆನಾ? Vivo, who is this? Can you please tell me your name? Yes, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ? Yes, Amruta. Am I right? Okay. I will wait for another 2 minutes. ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆಗ್ತಾರಾ ಅಂತ ನೋಡೋಣ. Yes, Amruta, are you from Vanita Vidyalaya? Yes, Amruta. Are you from Vanita Vidyalaya?
No, ma'am.
Then, which school you are?
Government school, Vidyalaya.
I'm not hearing your voice clearly. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. Yes. Okay, we'll start the class. Okay, ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆಗ್ತಾರಾ?
Ma'am, ಆಗ್ಬೋದು.
ಆಗ್ಬಹುದಾ? ಓಕೆ, ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ.
ಹಾ, ma'am.
2 minutes ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ. ಎಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ನಿಮ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲಲ್ಲಿ?
Apply ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ನಿಮ್ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಎಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ? ಎಸ್. ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ. ಎಸ್, ಪೂಜಾ. ಎಸ್, ಗುಡ್ ಈವ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಪೂಜಾ. Okay, shall we start the class? Okay, which topic we were discussing? Real numbers, right? Real numbers. In this chapter, we discussed what is real numbers and the fundamental theorem of arithmetic and how to find out HCF and LCM of two numbers, right? And also we discussed the exercise, right? Today, let's continue with the next part, that is next exercise, revisiting irrational numbers. Okay. ಈ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆನಾ ಸ್ಕೂಲಲ್ಲಿ? ಎಸ್, ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆನಾ? Okay. Prove that. Wait, before starting this, we have to revise the theorem, right? What our theorem says, let P be a prime number. Wait. P be a prime number. If P divides A square, then P divides A, where A is a positive integer. Remember, let P be any prime number. If P divides A square, then P divides A, where A is any positive number. I have given you one example also. A is equal to, if we take A is equal to 10, A may be any positive integer, right? If A is equal to 10, then A square becomes 100, right? Then PB prime numbers. PB a prime number. Tell me the factors of 10. That is 2 and 5. 2 is a prime number, 5 is a prime number. This is P. PB any prime number. What our theorem says? If P divide A square, if P divide A square, then P divides A. Let's check this one. If P 2 divide 100 A square, then 2 divides 10. What is A? A is 10 here. 2 5s are 0, 2 5s are. Means 50, it is 5. Therefore, our theorem is correct. If P divide A square, then P divides A. Next, prove that root 3 is an irrational number. I think this exercise is over, right? In your school, and you know the steps to prove, how to prove root 3 is irrational number. Okay. Can you tell me the steps? How to prove this? Yes, anyone? Yes, Amrita? ಈ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಓವರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಸ್ಕೂಲಲ್ಲಿ? Okay. Root 3 is a irrational number. First, what we have to do? Let's assume that root 3 is a rational number. We know it is a irrational number, but we have to assume that it is a rational number. For rational number, the condition is, what is rational number? The numbers which can be expressed in the form of P by Q, that number we call it as a rational number. Okay. And we are assuming here root 3 is a rational number. Therefore, root 3 is equal to P by Q, because P by Q numbers are rational numbers. And condition applies. PQ belongs to Z. Z means what? Integers. Okay. P and Q may be any integer. It belongs to the group integer, where Q is not equal to 0. This is very, very important. Q is not equal to 0. And PQ is equal to 1. What is the meaning of PQ is equal to 1? Okay. Can anyone tell me the meaning? Yes, Amrita, PQ is equal to 1 ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Yes. Can you hear my voice? Voice ಕೇಳ್ತಿದೆನಾ ನಿಂಗೆ? Yes. Screen ಕಾಣ್ತಿದೆನಾ? Yes, Amrita. Screen ಕಾಣ್ತಿದೆನಾ? Yes or no? Okay. P and Q is equal to 0 means there is no other common factors for P and Q other than 1. P and Q, it must have the factors 1. There is no other factor. It does not have other factors other than 1. Now, root 3 is equal to P by Q. Root 3 is equal to P by Q. Therefore, transfer this Q to this side. It becomes root 3 into Q is equal to P. Okay. Then next step. Squaring on both sides. Okay. Squaring on both sides. What happened? If squaring on both sides, squaring on both sides, then root 3 q square is equal to p square, right? Squaring on both sides. Then if we square root 3, then what it becomes? Root 3 into root 3. Then root 3 into root 3, it is 3. Therefore, it becomes 3 into q square is equal to p square, right? 3q square is equal to p square. What is the meaning of this? This means 3 divides p square, then 3 divides p by the theorem. If p divide a square, then p divides a. If 3 divide p square, then 3 divides p. It is by theorem. We are proving. Next, let's take p is equal to 3m. 3m means you can take it, instead of m, you can take a, b, c. It may be any constant. Okay. Yes. P is equal to 3m. Okay. Again, we are square. P is equal to 3m. And put the value of P in the equation number 1. Where is equation number 1? Here. 3q square is equal to P square. Now we are putting P is equal to 3m. 3q square is equal to 3m square. Right? Next. 3q square is equal to 3 square means it is 9m square. Okay. 3 ones are 3 threes are. Q square is equal to 3m square. Okay. Now, by looking this, okay, if 3 divides q square, then 3 divides q by the theorem. 3 is a common factor for both p and q. Here also 3 divides p and 3 divides q. Therefore, 3 is a common factor for both p and q. But what we are taking here, p and q have common factor 1, but here 3 is common for both p and q. Therefore, not possible. Our assumption is wrong. Therefore, root 3 is an irrational number. Right? Okay. Next, continue with the exercise. Okay. Nim school alli agide alva idu? Already you have completed this exercise, right? Okay. Root 5 is an irrational number. How to prove this? First, let us assume to the its contrary. Contrary means what? We know it is an irrational number, but we have to assume that it is a rational number. For rational number, root 5 is equal to p by q, where p, q belongs to z and q is not equal to 0 and p and q is equal to 1. P and q have common factor 1. Now, transfer this q to this side. Then it becomes root 5q, root 5 into q is equal to p. Then squaring on both sides, it becomes root 5q square is equal to p square. Then root 5 square means how much it is? 5q square is equal to p square. What does it mean? If 5 divide p square, then 5 divide p by the theorem. Okay, we are saying this by using theorem. If 5 divide p square, then 5 divides p. Therefore, here 5 is common for both p and q. Therefore, our assumption is wrong, because if p and q having common factor 1, then it is a rational number. But here 5 is common for both p and q. It is not possible. Therefore, our assumption is wrong here. Therefore, root 5 is irrational number. Okay. Next, prove that 3 plus 2 root 5 is irrational. Okay. How to prove this? Yes. Anyone can tell how to prove this? First, we have to assume what? 3 plus 2 root 5 is a rational number. For rational number, it must be in the form of p by q. 3 plus 2 root 5 is equal to p by q, where belongs to z. Z means integer. Integers means what? Integers This group of numbers, it includes both negative, 0 and positive numbers, where q is not equal to 0 and p and q is equal to 1. 1 is common for p and q. Now, 3 plus 2 root 5 is equal to p by q. Next, transfer this 3 to this side. Then 2 root 5 is equal to p by q minus 3. Then how much it becomes? Do cross multiplication. P into 1, it is p. 3 into q, it is 3q. P minus 3q divided by q. Here, by looking this, we can say that it is in the form of p by q, right? Therefore, here p minus 3q divided by q is a rational number. But we know root 5 is a irrational number. Therefore, our assumption is wrong. What we assumed, root 3 plus 2 root 5 is a rational number. But our assumption is wrong. Therefore, 3 plus 2 5 is irrational numbers. Okay. Yes, Amrita.
Ma'am,
Yes. I think you know how to prove this. Okay. Today, let's solve some examples on HCF and LCM. Some extra examples. Okay. Some extra sums we will solve. ಇದು ಹೇಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ, ಹೌದಲ್ಲ? ಇವತ್ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಬೇರೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಬುಕ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬೇರೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಆನ್ ದಿ HCF and LCM. Okay. Next, I will put one sum here. Find HCF of, wait. Yes. Find HCF of, see here carefully, 24 and 36. Okay. HCF of 24 and 36 we have to find out. Okay. Now tell me how to find out the HCF of 24. For this, first we need to find out the factors of 24, right? Tell me the factors of 24. 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. Next. 2. 6 are 12. Right. Next. 2 threes are. Next. 3 ones are. Okay. Next, we need to calculate the factors of 36. Tell me the factors of 36.
3 ones are
3.
3 twos are
3 ones are 3 twos are. Right. Next.
2 6 are
Okay. 2 6 are. Next.
2 3s are
2 threes are. Next.
3 ones are
3 ones are. Okay. Now write down the factors of 24 and 36. 24 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Next, 36. It is 3 into 2 into 2 into 3. Okay. Now tell me the HCF of these two numbers. Yes, Amruta, tell me the HCF of these two numbers. Two is common. Okay. 2 is common in both sides. Next, here also 2 is common. Here 3 is common, right? 2. Next 2. Next 3. Okay. How much it is? 2 twos are 4. 4 threes are
12
12. 12 is a HCM. Okay. Now we have to find out LCM. If we want to find out LCM, then 24 and 36. Okay. How to find out LCM? HCF into remaining factors, right? HCF is how much here? Well, you can write 12 directly, or you can write 2 into 2 into 3 remaining factors. 2 into 3. Okay. Now tell me the LCM. How much it is?
4 4 2s are 12
2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 12 2s are 24, 24 3s are, yes, 70. Right? Okay. Now we'll solve another example. Okay. Next, find the HCF of 18 and 48. Okay, I will give you 2 minutes. You have to tell me HCF is how much and LCM is how much. It is 18 and 48. Okay, 18 and 48. We have to find out HCF and LCM of these two numbers. Okay, 18 and 48. Can you tell me how much it is? First, we need to find out the factors of 18. That is 2, 2,
2 9s are
2 nines. Next, 18. 3,
3 3s are 9.
yes. Next, 3,
3 1
3 ones are 3. Okay, next, 48.
2 2s are 4.
2 twos are 4, 2 fours are 8. Next, 2,
2 1s are 2 2s
yeah,
are
2 twos are. Next,
12.
2,
12.
2 6 are 12,
2 3s are 6.
2 threes are 6.
3 1s are 3.
Yes, 3 ones are 3. Very good. Okay. Now write down the factors of 18. That is 2 into 3 into 3. Next, 48. Write down the factors of 48. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 4 times 2 is repeated. 3. Okay. Tell me the HCF of these two numbers. 2 is common. Next,
3 2 is common. 3 2 is
3,
common.
3 is common. Okay. HCF. Okay. 2 into 3.
2
Yes, 2 into 3. How much it is? 6. Yeah. Next, LCM. HCF into remaining factors. Okay. 2 into 3 HCF into remaining factors. 3 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 into 2 into 2. Okay. Now calculate the LCM. Tell me the answer. How much it is? How much it will be? ಎಷ್ಟಾಗತ್ತೆ ಅದು LCM ಎಷ್ಟಾಗತ್ತೆ?
ma'am. ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ 144. 44.
Yes, it is 144. Okay. Okay. Next, find the HCF of 135 and 225. 135 and 225. Okay. First, we need to find out the factors 135. Tell me the factors of 135. 135. It is divisible by which number? Yes. 5. 5. 2s are 10. 3 remains. 5 7s are 35. Next. 3 9s are 27. 3 threes are 3 ones. Okay. Now 225 by factorization method. This number is divisible by directly 5. Okay. In the last digit, I have 5 here. 2 fours are 20. 2 remains. Sorry, 5. 5 fours are 20. 2 remains. 5 fives are 25. Next, 5 nines are. Next, 3 threes are 3 ones are. Now write down the factors of 135. 5 into 3 into 3 into 3. Okay, next, write down the factors of 225. 5 into 5 into 3 into 3. Okay. Now tell me the HCF. Yes, dear students. Tell me the HCF. Yes, Amruta and Pratiksha. Tell me the HCF of these two numbers. How much it will be? Which one is common here? 5 is common.
3 is common.
Yes, 3 is common. Next, another 3 is common. Okay. 5 into 3 into 3. Okay. Tell me how much it will be. Tell me the answer. 5 threes are 15. 15 into 3.
45.
45. Yes, right. Very good. Next, tell me the LCM. 5 HCF into remaining numbers. 5 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 5 remains. Okay. Tell me the LCM. Yes, Amrita and Pratiksha. Tell me the LCM. Calculate ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ನೋಡೋಣ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Yes. How much it will be?
675.
That's very good. 675. Right. Next one. Find of 408 and 1032. 1032. Okay. First, we need to find out the factors for 408. Yes, tell me the factors. This number is divisible by 2 or 3 or 4.
Ma'am, it's divisible by 2.
2. Yes. 2. 2. 2s are 4. 0. 2 4s are 8. Next. 2. Yes, next. 2 1s are 2. 0. 2 2s are 4. Next comes 2 5s are 10. 2 1s are 2. Next, this number is divisible by?
Ma'am, it's not divisible.
Yes, it is. This number is not divisible by 2. Then, by which number? $51. 3. 3 1s are 3. 2 remains 21. 3 7s are 21. Next, this number is a prime number. So we have to take 17 here. 17 ones are 17. It will not come in any other table. Next one, 1032. This number is divisible by? This number is divisible by 2, right? 2 5s are 10, 2 1s are 2, 1 remains, 2 6 are 12, right? ಹೌದಲ್ಲ?
Ma'am,
Okay, next. 2. Next.
2 2s are 4, 1 remains.
Yes. Huh.
2 5s are 10, 1 remains.
Huh. Next.
2
1
8s are
remains.
16,
2 8s are 16. Okay, next.
2 1s are 2,
2 1s are 2,
2 2s are 4,
2
1
2s are
remains.
4. Huh.
2 9s are 18,
Yes, 2 9s are 18. Next. This number is divisible by?
2 6s are 12,
Okay, next. 9 is there. 9 is not, it is a odd number, right? It is not divisible by 2. Therefore, we have to divisible it by 3, right? 3 4s are 12, 3 3s are 9.
9.
43. 43 is a prime number. So, 43 ones are 43. Okay. Now, write down the factors. 408. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 17. Next, 1032. It is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 43. Okay. Now tell me the HCF. HCF of these two numbers. Okay. 2 is common here. Next, 2 is
Another
common.
2 is common, another 2 is common, another 3 is common.
Okay, what remains? 17 and 43 remains. HCF 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Okay. How much it will be? 2 2 is a 4, 4 2 is a 8, 8 3 is a 8 3 is a
24.
24. Okay. Next one. Find the HCF and LCM of 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Okay. Easy question. Try ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. Yes, 3 and 4. 3
Prime number.
factors of 3. 3 into 1. 4. 2 into 2.
2.
Right? Okay. Tell me the into 1. HCF. Which one is common here? Which one is common here?
1 is common.
Yes, 1 is common. Therefore, HCF is 1. Then LCM. LCM. We need to multiply all the numbers, right? 3 into 2 into 2. How much it will be? 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are. Yes, simple question.
12, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Next, find out the LCM and HCF for 6 and 20. 6 and 20. Okay. Try ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? First, find out the factors for 6 and find out the factors for 20 and find out HCF and LCF. Okay, factors for 6. That is 2 3s are 6. 3 1s are 3. 20. 2. 2 10s are 20. 2 5s are 10. 5 1s are 5. Right? Write down the factors. 2 into, sorry, 6 and 6. 2 into 3. 20. 2 into 2 into 5. Now tell me the HCF, highest common factor. Yes, Amrita, how much it will be? HCF, only 2 is common here, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Therefore, HCF is 2. Next, LCM. HCF into remaining factors. 2 into 3 into 2 into 5. Okay, how much it will be? Two 3s are 6, 3, 6 2s are 12, 12 5s are 60, right?
60. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, LCM. Easy ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ ಇವು?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ ನಿಮ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲಲ್ಲಿ?
Completed.
ಹಾ,
Complete ಆಗಿದೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ನು?
ಹಾ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ.
ಹೌದಾ? ಓಕೆ. Next, find out the LCM of 6 and 8. Simple question. Small question ಹಾಕೋಣ. 6 and 8. Past 6 is equal to factors. Tell me the factors of 6. That is 2 into,
2 3 is
yes, 8.
2
2
4
into 2 into 2. It should be in the factor of prime numbers. Means whatever we are writing here, these all are prime factors. Remember, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೇನ್ ಬರಿತೀವಲ್ಲ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ prime factors ಬರ್ಬೇಕು. ಈಗ ನೀವು 2 into 4 ಬರೆದ್ರೆ 4 is a composite number. Therefore, we have to express this in 2 into 2 into 2. ನಾವು factorize ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 2 4s are 8 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. ಹೌದಾ? 2 is a prime number. So 2 into 4 ಬರಿಬಾರ್ದು. 2 into 2 into 2 ನೇ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. Okay. Next, tell me the HCF. HCF ಎಷ್ಟಾಗತ್ತೆ? Yes. HCF is how much here? 2 is common. Therefore, HCF is 2. LCM. Find out the LCM. HCF into remaining factors. 2 into 3 into 2 into 2. Okay. Tell me the answer.
are 24.
Yes. 24. Okay. Now find out the HCM and HCF and LCM for 4 and 12. Yes, 4 and 12. Do the calculation. Tell me the HCF and LCM. Four and 12. Tell me the factors of 4.
2 2 is
2 2s are 4. 12.
2 6 are 12.
Again, you are telling 6 is a composite number. 2 into, if I write 2 into 6, then it will become wrong. So we have to express this in the prime factorization. Prime factorization. Yes, 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6, 3 1s are 3. 2 is a prime number, 2 is a prime number, 3 is a prime number. Okay. 2 into 2 into 3. ಈ ತರ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಇದು ರಾಂಗ್ ಆಗತ್ತೆ. 2 into 6 ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ರಾಂಗ್ ಆಗತ್ತೆ. ಯಾಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಬರಿತೀವಲ್ಲ ಆ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟೆಲ್ ಮಿ ದ HCF.
Ma'am, 2 is common.
Yes, only 2 is common.
So 2 is common, yes.
Another
Okay.
2 is also common.
Another 2 is common. Right. HCF is 2 into
2.
2.
2.
Answer is
4.
4.
4. Okay, now tell me the LCM. HCF
3.
into remaining factors. 2 into 2 into 3 remains. Into 3. Tell me the LCM.
12.
12.
Yes. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. Okay. Now calculate LCM for 54 and 60. 54 and 60. First find out the factors, then calculate HCF and LCM. Tell me the answer. 54, 60. (54) is a composite number and we have a last digit 4. 4 is a even number. So we have to start with 2. 2 2s are 4. 1 remains. 2 7s are 14. Next. It is not divisible by 2. Then try with 3. 3 3 3 9s are very good. Next. 3
3 3s are
3 3s are. Next. 3
1s are
1s. Right. Very good. 60. 60 is a even number. So we start with 2. 2 3s are 6. 0. 2 1s are 2. 1 remains. 2 5s are 10. Next. This number is divisible by 3. Right? 3.
3 5s are
Yes,
Five
very
are.
good. Next.
5 1s are
5 1s are. Okay. All prime factors we are getting here. Right? Write down the factors of 54. 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. Next. Factors of 60. 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Okay. Tell me HCF. Which one is common here? 2 is common. Next. 3 is common. Right?
2 and 3 common.
Yes, 2 and 3. Yeah, okay. Only 2 and 3 are common. HCF. 2 into 3. 2 3s are 6. 6 is HCF. Now tell me LCM. HCF into remaining factors. 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 2 into 5. Calculate and tell me the LCM. Yes, ಎಷ್ಟಾಗತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ನೋಡೋಣ LCM.
540.
540.
540.
Right. Next, calculate the HCF and LCM for 510 and 92. And 92.
5 ones are 5 ones are 5 twos are
Yes. 5 ones are
5 twos are 2 six are
sorry. Okay. 5 ones are next. 1 is there.
5 twos are 10.
5 twos are
Directly 2 ತಗೋತೀರಾ? Directly you are taking 2 here.
ಚಲೋ.
ಇಲ್ಲ 0 ಹಾಕಿ 2 ತಗೋತಿರಲ್ಲ. So 5 twos are 10, right? 1 ಇದೆ. 1, it is not divisible by 5. Therefore, we are taking 0 here. Then it will become 10. 5 twos are 10. Next. Next. 2 5s are 10. 2 twos are 1. Next. 3. 3 ones are 3. 2 remains. 21. 2, 3. 7s are 21, right? Next, 17 is a prime number. It will not divisible with any number. Therefore, 17 ones are 17. Okay. Then find out the factors for 92. 92 is a even number. And we have last digit 2. Therefore, we can start with 2. 2 4s are 8. 1 remains 12. 2 6 are 12. Next. 2. Next ಯಾವ್ದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. Next. 23. ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ 23? 23 is a prime number, so 23 ones are 23. Write down the factors of 510 and 92. Okay. 510. 5 into 2 into 3 into 70. Next, write down the factors of 92. 2 into 2 into 23. Okay, now tell me HCF. Which number is common here? Yes, ಯಾವ number common ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? 2 is
2.
common. Next. Only 2 is common, right? Therefore, HCF is 2. Tell me LCM. HCF is 2 into remaining factors. That is 5 into 3 into 17. 5 into 3 into 17 into 2 into 23. Okay, calculate and tell me how much it will be. ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದು? ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. Yes. $23,460, right? 460. Okay. Now find out the LCM of wait. Find out the LCM of 2 divided by 5, 4 divided by 7, and 6 divided by 11. Okay. Yes, this example is different, right? This is different. How to solve this? Do you know how to solve this example? ಎಸ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ ಯಾವ ತರ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಅಂತ? ಎಸ್ ಡಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಓಕೆ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. Observe the question carefully. It is 2 by 5, 4 by 7 and 6 by 11. Okay. These all are in the form of P by Q. Right. To solve this question, first remember the formula, that is LCM of numerator. This is formula LCM of numerator divided by LCM of denominator. Okay, remember this, denominator. Okay. ಈ ತರ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ sums ಕೊಟ್ರೆ, if they make it like this sum like this, then you have to solve. First you have to find out LCM of numerator and LCM of denominator. Okay. Tell me the numerators here. ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? Yes. Yes, ಅಮೃತ, ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? 2, 4 and 6. Denominators are 5, 7 and 11. Okay. First we need to find out the LCM of 2, 4, 6 and LCM of 5, 7 and 11. For this, we need to find out the factors, right? Tell me the factors of 2. 2 into 1. Next, factors of 4. 2 into 2. Right? Next, tell me the factors of 6. 2 into factors of 6. 2 into yes. 2 into screen ಕಾಣ್ತಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ? Okay. Tell me the factors of 6. 2 into 3. If I factorize 6, then 2 3s are 6, 3 1s are 3. So factors of 6 are 2 into 3. Now write down the factors of 5, 7 and 11. 5, 7 and 11. Factors of 5. Tell me the factors of 5. 5 into 1. 5 1s are 5, right? Next, 7. 7 1s are 7. 11. 11 1s are 11. Again, 7 into 1. 11 into 1. Okay. Now, find out the HCF of these three numbers. Okay, tell me HCF. Which one is common here? 2 is common, right?
Yes.
Yes, therefore
Yes, common.
HCF is 2. LCM. Find out the LCM. 2 into 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now tell me LCM. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, right? Now, from these three numbers, which one is common here? Yes, which one is common here? 1 is common. Therefore, HCF is 1. Okay, now find out the LCM. LCM is 1 into 5 into 7 into 11. HCF into remaining factors. 5 into 7 into 11. Okay. Calculate the LCM. How much it will be? Yes, 5 into 1 into 5, 5 into 7 into 11, that is 77. 77 into 5, how much it will be? 5 sevens are 35. 5 sevens are 35 plus 3, 38, 385. Okay, LCM is 385. Now, LCM of numerator divided by LCM of denominator. Tell me the LCM of numerator, that is 12, right? These three numbers are in numerator and these three numbers are in denominator. LCM of numerator, how much it is? 12 divided by LCM of denominator. 3, 85. Okay. 12 divided by 385. Okay. Have you understood this question? ಈ ತರ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಅವಾಗ what we need to do? Else first find out the LCM of numerators. Okay, first find out the write down the factors. That is which numerators they have given here. 2, 4 and 6. Okay, next find out the LCM of denominator. LCM of these three numbers. Find out HCF and LCM and find out HCF and LCM. Write down the LCM of numerator and LCM of denominator. Okay. Wait. Another question. Find the HCF of 336 and 54. Yes, 336 and 54. Factorize 336. 2 1s are 2, 13, 2 6 are 12, 2 8s are 16. Next. Okay, tell me next. 2 8s are 2 4s are. Next 2 4s are 2 2s are. 2 2s are 2 1s are. 21. 3 7s are. Next 7 1s are. 54. 2 2s are 4. 2 7s are 14. 3 9s are 27. 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3. Now tell me HCF two numbers. Yes, 336. Write down the factors. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. Next 54. 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. Okay. Now tell me the HCM. HCF. 2 is common here. Right? Next. 3 is common. Okay. HCF is 2 into 3. That is 6. Okay. LCM is, we have to multiply all the numbers. HCF into remaining factors. 2 into 3 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 7 into 3 into 3. Okay. Multiply all the numbers and tell me the answer. It will be 3024. Okay. Yes. Today we solve some examples on HCF and LCM, right? Okay. Shall we end this session, dear students?
Yes.
Okay. Study well. Have a good day. Okay.